All right, students, I just wanted to show you where you could find a tutorial on financial aid in your schooling. So under activities, you got your goals, you got your assessments, you have the learning hub. Under this learning hub, they have little lessons about exploring careers, how to use the career cluster, employment skills, four-year colleges, military, community college, trade schools. But what the one we're focused on today is financial aid. So if you click under financial aid, so we'll talk about the different ways to pay for schools, an overview. Then we'll go into a little detail on FAFSA, scholarships, budget, and a financial aid calculator. And if you just click on this one and you'll just go through, you'll end up going through all these presentations. At least it just gives you a little more information about financial aid so you can feel a little more comfortable with it. All right, thanks.